might be worth showcasing custom merge fields too, since you're here.
Yeah, absolutely. So we recognize that different people have different types of signatures, depending on, like, all of you guys have the design and build side. You have multiple entities that you kind of work with and do. So you could technically, instead of using signature, you could come over here and say, well, I want to add a special one just for my design build signature. So I could come here, and then you're giving it some kind of custom signature, and then that could be like a design build. Actually, it'll kind of rebuild it because it has to be in a certain format. So in this case, if I choose the custom design build, anytime I use that merge field, this custom design build merge field in my document, it would use this item versus the signature item. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. That's nice. Okay, cool.
So you can create as many different
Awesome.
special merge fields that you want to within the system to be able to do what you need.
Okay.